Okay, good morning. October. So, we just started working out in the morning, warming up with Chopin's C-sharp minor etude. The focus is to get back in shape. Someone 64 years old, hadn't played in a half year because they moved to Thailand. And to loosen up some stiff fingers from carpal tunnel surgery. And I just started working on the C-sharp minor etude, and I got good news. It's already loosening them up. So here's how I'm going about my morning routine. I like this etude to start warming up because I like doing it hands alone because it's a conversation that goes left, right, left. So warming up, I think it's excellent because one hand goes for a little while and it chills, takes a break, and then the left. So here we go. So a week ago when I started that left-hand passage there, it was stiff. Stiff as the morning wood. Same with that passage, it was stiff. It's getting loose already. Here comes that cool turnaround. Let's slow that down. Just separate those hands. Left hand going. That's a good way to learn it, but later you have to whip it to get the tempo right. So the right hand there is So, that's cool. You just slow it down and clean it up. But the good news is, for us old geezers, or if you've taken a long break from piano, or all three like me, old geezer, took a half year off, and you're suffering from a hand injury, good news. Chopin's Etudes, man, he's the doctor. He can fix you. All you gotta do is work on his etudes, take them nice and slow, practice them, passages, master the passages, learn them, play them nice and clean, hands low, and then put them together, and you're gonna be amazed what Chopin's etudes, if technique is your goal, what they will do for you. And they're gorgeous pieces to study for their harmonic content. The chords are just absolutely perfect harmony and voicings. And as I said before, etudes means a study. Chopin's etudes are the only studies or exercises that are performed live worldwide on the concert stage by the best pianists in the world. Why? Because they're not boring robotic exercises. They're beautiful compositions also. Chopin was a brilliant genius, and somehow he was able to combine them both. And I firmly believe that nobody understood the human hand better than Frederick Chopin. So, this year, November, December, and through the year, I'm going to focus on 6 of Chopin's etudes and get them back in shape. And I think in 3 or 6 months, I'm going to sound pretty good again. So, Roger Milky over and out.